You searched how to buy shares of Sherwin-Williams Co. Sherwin-Williams is a global paints and coatings manufacturer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SHW. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy SHW, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SHW to locate Sherwin-Williams. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm the correct SHW listing. Check basic details like sector, exchange, and recent price action before proceeding. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade completes, your SHW position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The eToro link is in the description below for convenience.